Hello, my name is Visa Jain. I've done my master's last year. I completed my master's from Bangalore University Surana College in clinical psychology was my specialization. And yes, so I gave entrance for PDCP, Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology for MET Lucknow. So they had conducted an entrance exam. I joined UPS education. I learned about it from the internet and one of my friends. First of all, I feel like UPS education was really supportive. One thing was that I joined very late and I literally had only 1 month to prepare. So I kept calling them to, curate the thing specifically for me. Like, I want to focus on PDCP first, then I want to focus on my NET. So, I just need portions from these. So they were really supportive of that. So that is something that really helped me. Even though I did not start my preparation when I joined, it was more like, okay, I have somebody, who's listening to me. I need this. They'll give me the materials. And even the study materials came in within like 3-4 days of me joining. And the classes, the video classes that were there. So what happens, I was also working. So I cannot all the time sit with textbooks, right? So I have to travel to my workplaces. So even if I just play the classes and put the audio, the classes are so like clear, it's slow, it's a good speed to understand. Everything is explained in details. I don't think one needs to again go through, read the books if somebody is listening to the classes properly. So I think MCQs are really important. Like I mentioned, I just had 1 month to prepare. I saw like MCQs are so important, like so many questions. And then every class that I read from the UPS portal, like the video classes, there was an option of me going through MCQs. So those MCQs, many of them, if that topic came in the exam, the questions were common. Maybe the words were put a little differently, but the questions, the topics were very much same. So MCQs, practicing MCQs is like top-notch priority. I feel like if you want to get through at once. The portal is very easy to understand. I like that. And about Sir's explanation, how he explains things, he's not expecting a student to already remember the small details. Even the small details, even when he's explaining a broader concept, he will tell about the small detail. Okay, this is this, so that helps to recall. Oh yeah. So he doesn't like just assume, oh, student will know this, let me just skip this and explain a broader topic. It's not like that. It's very simplicity is there in terms of explaining. So I really like that. It was helpful for me.